Hi, boys and girls. This is the example for your final project, the final part of your narrative essay. What you will be doing is you will be creating an animated version of your story. Make sure that your animation is at least 2 minutes and 30 seconds. You need to make sure that you have avatars that are moving in your story. Make sure that you are also narrating what's happening so that people that are watching knows what's happening in the scene. Okay, my example is much shorter than the example that you guys need to create. My example is probably a little over a minute, and you guys need to make at least 2 minutes and 30 seconds. So here is my example. Remember, you're using the website Animaker.
Beach Day by Miss Toledo. On a lovely Saturday morning, Miss Toledo was drinking her morning coffee. All of a sudden, Miss Toledo hears a knock on the door, which was weird because she wasn't expecting anyone. It was Miss Curry. Miss Curry had a great idea. She wanted to go to the beach, and Miss Toledo loved that idea. So they started an adventure. They walked to the beach. It felt like it took 1,000,000 years. When they finally got to the beach, a lot was happening. So they went and got burgers and ate burgers together on the beach. Just then, a giant seagull came and stole Miss Toledo's burger. A man named John saw everything that happened. He came over and offered Miss Toledo a piece of his cake. Everybody was happy. The beach day was a huge success.
Remember, if you need any help with any of the tools or any of the functions of Animaker, please make sure you ask questions. You can also refer to the other video where I have a step-by-step walkthrough of how to use Animaker. Good luck, and I can't wait to see your final animated stories.